In this video, I am going to show you how to log into PowerSchool for parents. First, you go to mycherrycreekschools.org, and then you will type in your login information and log in. You will see in here one of the tiles is PowerSchool, and it will say Parents. You will click on that. It will default open on your youngest student's dashboard, which opens up on the grades and attendance page. We are already into our third quarter when I made this video, so you can see that there is data in all 3 quarters. However, I have blurred the data as this is a student's account. If I want to see absences or tardies, they are over here in the right-hand side, and they are for the entire year up to that point. To see the details of the quarter grade, all you need to do is click on the grade. Once you are in the detail view, you will see all of the assignments and tests that make up their grade. There might be flags, and the legend for those flags is at the bottom of the page. On the right side, if you see the word view, that means your teacher left a comment. If you want to switch student view, which student you were looking at, you can go up here to the upper left and click on that student's name. Another thing that might be helpful for you is email notification. Over here on the left, you can select email notification, and you can choose any type of notification you would like to receive in email, verify what email address you would like to receive that notification at, and it can be different than your account email address. You can also select and send it to multiple email addresses, and you can select how often you would like to have those sent. You can apply it to your other students if you have any, and you can send now for your currently selected student. Once you have made those changes, you want to make sure you submit those changes. One last thing I want to show you. If you download the app, either from Apple or Google Play, enter in this code here, KMKL, and you can select notifications on your phone. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. That is the end of this video. Thank you.